Hey, what's going on now?
You did say you were coming.
Yeah. Try to keep my word. Another meetup. Today is Desperados Day. It's pretty cool. I wasn't expecting this many folks. Hey, what's going on now? Chilling. Yeah, same here, man. What's up? What's going on, fellas? All right. Super Sausage Fest. I ain't seen no tacos. All sausage. GR boys late as usual. Even though I think it's only 2 of us tonight. I smell weed again. Are they burning leaves or something? Mighty hungry. Mighty cold. Look, I said the same thing. What's up, sir?
Right?
Yeah, cold. That's about it. Go on, GR. What's going on, sir?
What up, man?
Chilling? I already saw ice. Okay. Is that Deuce? Yeah, that is Deuce. What's up, sir? What's going on, man?
Good to see.
Yes, sir. What's up, sir?
Now,
When where you coming? Oh shit, nigga Ozzy. What's up, sir?
What's going on, brother?
All right, chilling.
Cool. What's up, brother?
Uh-oh, future of GR.
What's up?
Are y'all eating? I'm eating. Want to get a table?
He said the text.
I couldn't hold my water. It's like, nah, the waitress spilled the whole tray of drinks on me. I think I was too smart mouth.
I'll come back in about a minute.
But you can start with Mean Gene, the mean one.
Alright, you ready?
Don't tell me all these people came and they're not in there eating. All these people came up here and they're not even in there eating. I got. Could she tell the order? Could she get the order?
So for you, I have the Hawaiian burger, basically nothing but the pineapple, the bacon, and the burger.
Yes, no
Bacon
cheese.
sauce on the side.
Yeah, no cheese and onion ring.
Precious. No Stella, right?
Sorry?
They have celery.
Uh-oh, Precious.
That's a problem.
I'm so sorry.
Take your time, honey. Take
Don't
your
worry,
time.
you're not even on the film because there's a light bulb there, so it just show your head glowing. It's a month, so it's October 1st. They did first Thursday starting October 1st, or whatever that Thursday was. Yeah, I just checked. They just switched it. I said nobody gonna remember the first Thursday, first Wednesday of the month. You know. I guess. You know. I'll be right back. Let me go see this place. Ain't nobody come in. You got a bike night. Nobody getting came in to eat nothing. It's just GR. Oh wait a minute, it's a couple. It's a couple. All right. I ain't never been in here. I just always sat outside, so I'm just checking it out.
Just right to the right if you need to add
Okay.
You guys want to start at 10?
Oh, I can close it out. Yeah.
I'm going to bring the yellows and I'll be right back.
Okay. Oh, that's it? Oh. All right, that's it. Oh, good. Oh, there's a couple more. There's a couple of bikers. Okay. Everybody but this table bikers. All right. My fault. Oh, you good? Oh. Thank you. Thank you. Oh. You know what they told them? They said, don't park in the alley. Oh shit, hit my bike.
So like, he's like, just stick around.
Packed in.
I gotta know.
Today's youth. Today's youth. Oh,
Desperados Burger.
That thing is like what was it? 452?
Yeah.
452. Yeah. That's a 2011. That thing like.
was you blessing that burger there, Gene?
About to. Dig in.
How come y'all ain't get onion rings?
I can't believe they charge $10 for this thing. And his, I think, is like what, $5?
For the fries? And these onion rings are $12.
Stop. I forgot it now.
Here's a perspective. It might look big in the video, but yeah.
Let me get my piece and get the one out of here.
Officer told me like this, man. He was like, look.
Going up there?
I live up the street. They're going up to bike night. I'm too close to home to make that run up there. Then there was one. I closed down almost everything I go to. Boat night, boat party night, bike night, all of it. Just like that.